Hi Delmer and Darlene, it's Mike at American Motorcycle Trading Company. And I just want to let you know that I went ahead and put this sold sign on the bike for you. So your trike will be put to the head of the line. I just talked to the sales manager also. He said he would talk to the service shop and make sure that they know that this guy is sold and to go ahead and put it to the head of the line so they can get started on it. They're going to go through there and make sure that everything is in proper running condition. They're going to do the detail on it too. Got a little scuff on the fender, so they're going to see about buffing that out, making that look all good. A little dirty right now, but it'll look fantastic once they get done with all that. Got your trailer hitch back there. Underneath the tour pack, there's a latch. And that opens this guy. Do it right there. So you see you got some more storage in here. There's also another latch down here. That'll open the trunk. There's a side panel in there. That's the side panel that they had pulled off when they put the brand new battery in there. We picked the trike up just yesterday. So you got pretty good storage in here. More storage on the inside. Pocket right there. And of course your trailer hitch. You see the armrests here for the passenger. Arlene will certainly appreciate that. Keep comfy on there on long road trips. Cup holder and all that, that's nice. Turn it on here. Oh, let's close that. See if we can get us into neutral. All right, now we're in neutral. Hey, there she is. That middle bar there is lighted. That looks really good. Sounds pretty good. Okay, y'all. I'll keep you in touch as the trike progresses through service and before it gets professionally detailed and all that as well. So congratulations.